Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Do you know that whenever a company posts their job opening on any job search platform, there are hundreds of people who apply for that job, but only 20% of them actually reach the HR's desk. So where are these 80% of the resume gone? If just you and me think about it, we apply for so many jobs whenever we are looking for a job change, but we get called from very selected companies. Why is that happening? It's because we are making a lot of mistakes in making our resume. Your resume is actually your sale page and it creates that first impression in the mind of the HR. And in today's video, we are going to discuss those mistakes which I have personally avoided and have seen amazing result. Also, by the end of the video, I'll be sharing a pro tip that if you implement, it will make your resume stand out among hundreds. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, before starting the video, if you are currently looking out for a job change, then I would highly recommend that you apply through OptimHire. OptimHire is an online job search platform which has a huge thousands of jobs available throughout the world. In fact, their aim is to make sure you get your dream job with the highest pay possible. In the last couple of months, they have placed more than 1500 IT developers with an average salary hike of 200%. And not just that, they help you throughout the interview process, right from applying the job till getting your offer letter. In fact, they will negotiate from your end with the employer as well. This makes the whole interview process very seamless. In fact, if you are eligible for that job, it will just take a couple of weeks for you to get that position. So to apply through OptimHire, all you have to do is go in the video's description, click on the link, sign up, upload your resume and start applying. So coming back to our topic, gone are the days where the recruiter would actually sit down and scan each and every resume that he receives. Right now, more than 90% of the companies and recruitment agencies use ATS, that is Application Tracking System software. So this software has made the life of the HR very easy to get the cream candidates for their position. So what ATS does is it filters the candidates using the job description and the content of the resume. So you might be having a lot of knowledge about that particular technology, about that particular role. But if you have not mentioned everything according to the job description in your resume, then your resume will never go through the ATS process. So the first thing you need to make sure is your resume should have all the appropriate keywords that are mentioned in the job description. So for example, if the job description is specifically looking out for software engineers having Spring Boot microservice knowledge, and if your resume does not have this particular keyword, then it will not pass through. So first thing you have to do is read the description, job description carefully and pick out those keywords and make sure you write the same thing in your resume. Now, one of the most common mistakes most people do is they forward the same resume for all the job openings. And that's why they reduce their probability significantly of getting through the ATS. So while applying for different job openings, make sure you read the job description carefully and alter your resume accordingly. The second thing is to highlight your key roles and responsibilities in your previous employer, along with your skill set and the achievements that you have got in your previous companies. Now, achievements are not just, that you got a best employee in particular month and you got some appreciation from the company. But along with this, you'll have to write day-to-day achievements. So to do this, you can follow a very simple structure, that is task, action, and result. Firstly, mention all roles and responsibilities that you have taken. Second is mention the action that you took to complete your roles and responsibilities. And third is mention the achievements that you got from it. What achievement you have received, gained from your actions taken. And fourth is if you have some numeric data, if you know what business impact it actually made, mention that numeric data as well. So rather than just mentioning that I used to do development in my previous company, I can write is I wrote so optimized codes that actually reduce a lot of bugs in the production and that actually help the customers to reduce their faults or to get optimized result, maximum result. So that way you'll have to frame what you actually do. In fact, with each bullet points you are adding, just think that is it adding value to your resume, to your overall profile. The third tip is to keep your resume minimalistic and to the point. In fact, if I tell you that if you're having a resume more than one page, then it is a big no-no. But I understand, writing everything in one page is not possible. But for that, what you have to do is you have to remove unnecessary information. Unnecessary information as in writing what you got in your 10th, 12th graduation. That all is not important. What is important is what is your last degree. Secondly, you can remove the complete address from your resume and also the achievements or something that you have gained in your college days. When you remove all of these extra things, you will see that your complete resume can be fitted in just one single page. In fact, if you're using any table formats in your resume, ATS will never scan that. And on top of that, if you have any profile picture, that is absolutely not required. rather than mentioning this all unnecessary information, you can mention your LinkedIn profile link that will give a different site to the recruiter. On top of that, if you have done some coding, some work on Git, if you have uploaded your work on Git, mention the Git URL so that they can go through your work, they can go through whichever project you have worked on specifically. So all these things will add feathers to your resume. The next tip is to use proper verbs. Verbs are basically the actions that we take. So for example, I developed, I designed, I optimized, I deployed, I maintained. So these are all verbs with a past tense. So you can use a lot of these verbs in your resume, which will actually act as an achievement as well. Now guys, coming to the pro tip of this video. But before that, if you guys have watched this video till this point, then do let me know in the comment section by typing I watched till the end, because that will actually let me know that you guys are interested in my content and you have watched it till the end. Now talking about myself, until a couple of days before, even I had a resume more than 1 page, and that was too fluffy and too lengthy. That time, looking at people's 1-page resume, I used to think that it may cost a lot of money for creating this particular optimized resume. But then I realized that you can create that same page without paying a single penny. How is that done? There are so many websites, there are so many resume builder websites which give you free access to at least one resume which you can completely make for free. In fact, I used one of the free templates of Canva and I made this resume out of it, which is really impressing, guys. So you can also make it. I'll leave the Canva's link in the description. Go there and search for free resume making template and use the 1-page resume for your benefit. So guys, I hope that you liked this video, and if you have liked it, then make sure that you forward this video to the people who are actually looking out for a job change. And if you are looking out for a job change, don't forget to go and check the Optim Hire. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.